everybody, how are we? I hope we are well. It's just a continuation on my sewing projects that I did. So I did manage to finish my projects, which I'll show you. So I was making some bandanas, dog bandanas for my cousin's 2 German Shepherd girls. Previously I said they were 2 years old, but no, they actually turned 2 in November. So they are now, 3 now. They turned 3 last November. So they're 3-year-old girls. So I did show you last time that I got some material from Hobbycraft and I managed to complete it. So the first one that I did was this one. I made this from scratch, and in my last part of the video previously I'd said that the channels for the collars were too big on the last one, but this one's a bit smaller now, so I decided to do that, and then they can choose because the other side is actually reversible, as you can see. I absolutely love this side. So what I did do is I did sew a channel for the collar, because as I experimented I found that the collar had slipped through. It was a bit challenging to get it through, so I sort of sewed across here so the collar won't go anywhere. So I've completed that. So I did do 2, obviously 2 of them reversible. It'd look beautiful for the spring summertime, and they're both white German Shepherds, so their fur is actually completely white. So I've got that, and then I decided I quite like this design as well, so I decided to do a sunflower one for both of the girls. And here's the second one. And again, this is reversible, so I actually went one step further and I decided to personalise them with their names on. So obviously this has got a pattern on it, so that would just look quite nice in my opinion on its own. But on the other side I decided to make it reversible, polka dots, but then I decided to personalise it with the name. So this one's for Tokyo. They'd get to choose which side they'd like to wear it. So, and then the second one is just the same, but I've made second one as stripes for Havana. With it being I just had 2 different patterned material really. So I managed to complete that as well. And that's got Havana, so I've used HTV on there. So and these were completely done from, I cut it, I used a pattern that I bought from Etsy. I cut it out, I put it together, and they're just beautiful light cotton bandanas, which I'm quite pleased about, and I will at some point pay them a visit, so maybe you can come with me on that journey for when I see the girls. And then also I decided to make an extra small one that I'd cut out and I'm hoping to make today, and this one's an extra small one for Milo, for cats really. Again with this one it had originally the pattern had a very big channel for the collar, so I'd actually cut it down and made sure and measured that a cat's collar would go through this channel. So I'll be doing that, sewing that today. I'm quite enjoying this sewing journey. It's a complete new skill. I'm a complete beginner, and really enjoyed working on it. So stay with me. So here we go, guys. Just gonna check my thread. Oh, my thread's nearly coming out. See if I can salvage it. Ah, just about. Just caught that in time, actually. Hold on to it. Oops. Still trying to get the hang of this. I think that should do. Find my footstool. Okay. get my Cricut mini heat press. Just set that going. Just going to set it up. How cute is this design? It's like a newspaper clipping. Very cute. Wait for my heat press to heat up. Go. Oops. Just going to try and keep it level on both sides. There you go. Just going to try and clip it into place and go back to the sewing machine. Sorry guys about that. I think I pressed the wrong button on my camera and I thought I was recording but I didn't record. But so I've made my bandanas. I'm just going to cut the loose threads off at the minute. Don't know what happened there. Pressed the wrong button on my camera. Never mind, I'm just going to, I was just thinking, I need to turn this inside out now, but the channels are quite small, so let's see. Actually, I need to trim it. I could have done with one of those turners, but trim off the ends. Just to give it a point. Not trimmed it off very well. Yeah. So I don't know if I can turn this inside out, to be fair. I mean, it'll be a bit of a challenge. Suppose I'll just try and feed the fabric through bit by bit. Hopefully. See if I can feed it through. It is a bit tight, but we'll see. I mean, it is coming through, but it's just a bit of a taking a bit of time, sort of feeding through. Just got to be a bit patient with it, really. Oh, maybe we're getting somewhere. Oh yeah, just about. A bit challenging. Maybe next time I might make the channel at like an inch, half an inch more. Something. Just got to feed the rest of the material out. Slowly but surely. You can see it's coming through. Get my little pointer tool out. stick the point out. Just going to iron it. And just going to iron this. How cute does that look? Looks absolutely tiny. Just going to iron it out. So this one's not reversible. I've just decided to go with one piece of fabric for this one. Just wait for my heat press, my mini heat press to heat up. Get my, whilst we're waiting, just going to get my thread cutter and cut off the threads. Off the edges. Yeah. So at this size, the extra small are mainly for cats, really. So I did like this design, the newspaper clipping type of design, and I did think of this for Milo. So he's not particularly pleased about wearing bandanas, but we can try and maybe get some photos for the website. Making it plain. So I've ironed it out now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, one last step is just sew a little channel through the top, sort of here, so that the collar doesn't get lost. So I'm just going to do that at those 2 points there. So guys, here we are. That's the bandana. I'm just going to snip off this loose thread, and then we can try actually to put the collar through it. Oh. The only thing is that I think I've made this channel quite tight, so next time I'll just make it half an inch or something bigger. So that's all the threads. Right then, here's Milo's collar. It's one of his old sort of collar. He's obviously, when he scratches around his neck, he's pulled up the thread on this one, but that's quite all right. So let's have a look. So just about, if I can just get through this bit. Let's angle you so you can see. I just need to actually rest it on here, to be fair. There we go. Just got to be a bit patient with it. Obviously, this is the first time I've made a cat bandana, so I've got to practice, and you live and you learn. So for next time, I'll correct these mistakes. Oh, it's a bit of a tug, but I just feel like I just need to get past this buckle, and then hopefully it should feed through. I mean, it is moving. There you go, we're in. Hopefully it should move along. I've got a little pointer tool, to be fair. Hope maybe that might help. Push it along. Let's see. It's just the buckle that's a bit of a challenge, really. Let's look. I think originally I chopped off a bit too much material for the top buckle collar channel, so it's moving along. There you go. That's come through quite well. Can always just swap this over. there you go, guys. It's a little bandana. Yep, so Milo's taking a nap, and you can just see the D-ring here, so as well. So it's just to go on the safety collar, really, for him. I maybe, hopefully, might be able to get some pictures, but sometimes if he's not in the mood, he doesn't have it. So, and there you go, like, guys. How cute is that? So these will be up on the website shortly. So thank you for joining me, guys, today. I hope you're all well, and I hope take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.